welcome back to my channel. My name is Doris. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for those who subscribed. Welcome. In Kenya we say karibu sana. Thank you. So on my last video I shared on how you can get a job in Dubai, but I'm sure there are so many people who are watching my videos and they're not based in Dubai. Maybe you're based in Nigeria, you're based in Pakistan, Philippines, anywhere in Kenya, and you're thinking I want to come to Dubai. So what's the best way for you to come to Dubai? I know in our countries there's so many agents that promise you a job to come to Dubai, and they'll charge you maybe like $1,000, or they'll charge you maybe like $1,500, and they'll promise you a job here in Dubai. Should you get a job as like through an agency, or should you get a job, should you come here for visit visa? I've stayed in Dubai for 7 years, so this is my personal opinion. You just listen to it and then make the best decision for yourself. And when you watch this video, you'll know which one is the best option for you. So why I'm discouraging people from paying agencies back in their country and coming to Dubai using a job that they've already given you is because, one, they will give you jobs. These jobs that they give you mostly are hotelier jobs. They are maybe cleaning or even security jobs. One, the jobs usually pay very small amount, like compared to what the market is paying here. They will pay you very less salary. And then number two, they'll charge you so much money for the agency fee so that they can process your employment visa and your visa to come to Dubai. Then number three, most of these agencies, they'll promise you a job while you're back in your country, and when you come to Dubai, you're going to get that the job they promised you is not the same as what they've offered you. So these are the main reasons I usually discourage people from using agency. But if you're watching this video and maybe you came to Dubai using an agency, please help a sister. Maybe there's so many people watching this video and they're wondering how to come to Dubai. If you've used an agency that worked for you and it was very good, you can share on this video, you can comment below, and you can help someone. So I wouldn't encourage someone to come using an agency job, because out of the 80% agencies that bring people to Dubai, it's usually not the best jobs. There's no need for you to settle for less while you can get something better. So I'm sure you're wondering, what should you do? Don't come to Dubai using an agency. What should you do? This is what you need to do. One, I would recommend you to get to just save enough money. The money that you wanted to use like for this agency, the money that anyway you're still going to pay an agency like $1,500. So I would recommend you save enough money, add extra money, and then come to Dubai using a visit visa. You can get a 3 months visit visa, and when you get a 3 months visit visa, save enough money for food while you're here and for your transport, because it might take you like a week to get a job, a month, 3 months, or even 6 months for you to get a job. But the advantage of you coming to Dubai directly to get your own job is, one, you get the job that you deserve. You get a better job than what the agencies would have gotten you. Then number two, you're able to get better paying job. You can't compare the job that you're going to get when you're here with what the agencies will get you. If you're a professional back at home, then you might even end up getting a professional job while you're here. So I'll be sharing on future videos on how much it would cost you to come get a professional job, or how much it would cost you to come look for a job here. And if you don't know where to start, like you don't know even a travel agency in your country that can process for you a visa, I'll be putting a recommendation. There's a travel agency that I've used back in Dubai, and I've used them for more than 7 years. So I would highly recommend them. I'm going to put their Facebook page here on the description, and then you can just contact them. So they'll process for you the visa, a 90 days visa. They'll process for you the flight tickets, and then from there you just need to talk to people who are in Dubai, who stay here or who work here, to help you with the accommodation. There are so many accommodation here, you're not going to miss it. So once you get accommodation, you have your visa, you have your flight ticket, come to Dubai and just come with an open mind. It can take you a month, it can take you a day, it can take you a week. It can take you 3 months or 6 months for you to get a job. I came to Dubai end of 2013, and I came through a visit visa. And when I came here through a visit, first I borrowed money because I didn't have enough money back then. Now I can laugh it off, but by then I didn't have enough money. So I borrowed money, came to Dubai on a 2-month visa, and I got a job. But back in Kenya, I was a banker. But when I came here, I started off as a waitress. I started working as a waitress in JW Marriott, Marquis in Business Bay. And then I came with one mind. I knew I was going to resign. Like within 6 months, I already started looking for another job. So this is one thing I want to advise you. When you come here and get a job, do not be very choosy. If you have enough money, then it's okay. You can be choosy. But if you don't have enough money, then you can take a good job, a decent job. A waitress job was decent, and it's a good 5-star hotel. And then with the strategy that within 6 months you'll start looking for a job. So within 6 months I started looking for a job, and within 11 months I got another job, a professional job, and ever since then I've always been doing professional jobs. I've always been working on professional jobs here. If you know people in Dubai that have used agencies and they've gotten very good jobs, this is the only way that I can tell you it's okay, go for an agency. If you know someone in Dubai, they've come to Dubai, they've gotten a good job, then you can go ahead and ask them to give you the recommendation. Otherwise, I would recommend you to come on a visit visa. Take the adventure, come here. It's 3 months. There's so many people from all over the world. There are more than 200 nationalities, and again now most of the countries flights have opened up. Emirates is going to more than 96 destinations. So just come and explore, and come with an open mind and pray. You never know, you might get a job within a week, within a month, but you'll get something good. Just save enough money. It's coming through visa takes time, like it might take you time to get a job, but it works. Please make sure you share below what's your experience. If you're in Dubai and you're watching this video, how did you come to Dubai? I came on a visit visa in 2013. How did you come to Dubai? What was your experience? What would you advise someone who is watching this video? Let's share our experiences and help people who are looking for jobs or who want to come to Dubai to look for jobs. Thank you so much for watching. I keep saying that faith without works is dead. When we do what we can do, God will do what we cannot do. Thank you. I'm off for lunch. I just came out for lunch and I thought of this video, so I decided to share it. So I'll be sharing on future videos on how to get jobs in Dubai, and also how much does it cost. I'll give you a breakdown on accommodation, on food, on transport. I'll be giving you a good breakdown of that. Thank you so much. I'm done with my lunch. Bye.